Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Then let's tap on more security settings and tap on encryption and credentials. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, almost at the very bottom actually. So all we have to do is to tap on it and tap on OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed the certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.